Starting a limited liability company with a partner might sound like a complex process, but it's actually a fantastic way to get your business off the ground while enjoying some significant benefits. If you've been tossing around the idea, you're in the right place. Let's break it down into simpler terms and understand why an LLC could be the perfect fit for your partnership, how it works, and what steps you need to take to get it started. By the way, if you would like to get help in starting your own LLC with a partner, then make sure to sign up with Northwest Registered Agent by clicking my affiliate link down in the description of this video. They're professionals and they'll be able to help you out with any legal questions you have. Plus, clicking on my link doesn't cost you anything extra and it helps me support the channel. And with that in mind, let's get started. Firstly, it's important to clarify a common misconception. In the world of LLCs, we don't technically use the term partners. Instead, we call them members. So if you're planning to start an LLC with someone else, you and your co-founder will be known as members of the LLC, not partners. This distinction is important because legally speaking, partnerships and LLCs are different, especially when it comes to how they're treated by the law and tax authorities. A multi-member LLC is just an LLC that has more than one member. It's that simple. You could have 2 members or 20, and you'd still be operating under the same LLC umbrella. This is great because it means you can bring in as many people into your business as you need, whether they're individuals or other businesses, without changing the fundamental structure of your company. One of the biggest reasons people choose to form an LLC is for the liability protection it offers. Unlike in a general partnership where each partner is personally liable for the debts and actions of the business, an LLC provides a legal shield for your personal assets. This means if your business ever faces a lawsuit or incurs debt, your personal savings like house, car, and other possessions are typically protected. Now, you might be wondering how an LLC actually works when you have more than one member. It's pretty straightforward. Even though you might consider the other members your business partners, forming an LLC means you're looking at a structure that offers more protection and potentially more tax benefits than a traditional partnership. For example, LLCs can be treated as pass-through entities for tax purposes, meaning the business itself doesn't pay taxes, but the profits and losses are passed through to the members who report them on their personal tax returns. This can lead to significant tax savings, especially since you can also choose how you want the LLC to be taxed, like a partnership, corporation, or an S-corp. However, starting an LLC does require a bit more legal work than a simple partnership. You will need to file paperwork with your state to officially create your LLC, decide on a name, and potentially publish a notice in your local newspaper, depending on your state's requirements. One of the most critical steps is creating an LLC operating agreement. This document is like the rule book for your LLC, outlining how decisions are made, how profits and losses are shared, and what happens if a member wants to leave or if you want to bring in new members in. Choosing the right name for your LLC is crucial because it not only reflects your brand, but also has to be unique and not infringe on any existing trademarks. Once you've settled on a name, filing a Doing Business As DBA name form with your state's office is the next step. This makes your business name official and prevents others in your state from using it. In some states, you might need to announce your intention to form an LLC through a notice in a local newspaper. This might seem old-fashioned, but it's a way to publicly declare your business's formation. The final step is to file your articles of organization with the Secretary of State. This document includes basic information about your LLC like its name, address, and the names of its initial members, and officially registers your business as an LLC. Remember, LLCs and partnerships are taxed differently. In a general partnership, you and your partner directly report your business's income and expenses on your personal tax returns. With an LLC, you have more flexibility. You can still pass through the income to your personal taxes, or you can choose to have the LLC taxed as a corporation, potentially saving on taxes and allowing you to reinvest more money back into the business. It's also worth mentioning that while an LLC can provide significant protection from business debts and liabilities, this doesn't mean you're shielded from all responsibility. If you personally guarantee a loan for your LLC or commit a civil wrongdoing, you could still be held personally liable. When deciding between forming an LLC or a partnership, consider your business needs for liability protection, tax options, and flexibility for bringing in new members. While partnerships can be simpler and cheaper to start, they don't offer the same level of protection or flexibility as an LLC. In conclusion, starting an LLC with a partner, or more accurately, a co-member, can provide your business with a strong foundation. It offers protection for your personal assets, flexibility in management and ownership, and advantageous tax options. However, it's essential to go into this process informed and prepared. Drafting a detailed operating agreement, choosing the right business name, and understanding your state-specific requirements are all critical steps in forming your LLC. Remember, while this guide simplifies the process, consulting with legal and tax professionals is always recommended to ensure your business complies with all regulations and is set up for success. And don't forget that if you would like to get help in starting your own LLC, I recommend you sign up with Northwest Registered Agent by clicking my affiliate link down in the description of this video. They're professionals and they'll be able to help you out with any legal questions you have. Plus, clicking on my link doesn't cost you anything extra and it helps me support the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.